G'day, it's Phil from PT Precision Automotive again. Just thought I'd just do a quick one. There's not a lot explaining to do on these Volkswagen Amarocks with the 680 power package from Walkinshaw, but we're doing these all the time. Some of the guys are doing it and asking us to remove all stickers off the vehicle or not put some on, or just put some on and not others. This guy's opted to do all the stickers. I think it looks really good. Like, you've got your original blackout stickers and your bonnet and grille and all that sort of stuff comes. This is obviously a Walkinshaw 580, but then the upgrade gives you more stickers on the bonnet and then all down along the bottom. I reckon they look great. They look absolutely fantastic. I think more bolder than the original stickers, all the way down the bottom. They go wrap around. And your 680 on the bottom on this car goes really well because he's got. I like that bloody protector on mine. Bloody Ute, that gets smashed all the time. But got those. Looks great. Twin exhaust and stuff like that with the 580. But anyway, we might just take this one for a quick run. We haven't done a dyno tune or anything like that, but we've done the power upgrade, which is changing the engine dynamics and of course the transmission dynamics. We've done all that, completed that. We'll just go for a quick drive here. That's his pack. Comes with this, the welcome pack. But it's instantly noticeable difference on this thing. It's unreal. I don't know how much. Let's see this again. Yeah. So this thing's flying now. That's too fast. So it really picks them up massively. It makes the response time much better. There's a lot of turbo lag in these things from standard. They really think about get going before they do. The lag on this, it's dynamically different. Really picks up the front end. Yeah, they're not like that. They do go all right, but this power upgrade from Walkinshaw is far better than what the tune was originally in the vehicle. So anyway, I mean, more for me was showing the walk around of the car and how it looks. I reckon it looks better. I know some of the guys out there that don't want any stickers on the car or just leave the original ones on, whatever, but me personally, I like them. So I think that's all it was. But if you're looking for more grunt and all that sort of stuff, with your manufacturer's warranty, Walkinshaw's here. We can help you if you need. Anyway, and so can all the other resellers. There's resellers around Australia that can help you out on this as well. Some good guys involved. Okay? Alright, that'll do.